Hi everyone, Nikki here of Red Street Girl. Thank you so much for joining me here at my channel. Today I am going to be unboxing and giving a review of CAUSEBOX.
Positive representations, fighting native appropriation. Learn to love yourself in everything you do, 'cause you're amazing. Red Streak Girl.
Today I'm going to be giving a unboxing and a review of CAUSEBOX. This CAUSEBOX is the summer intro box. I signed up for CAUSEBOX, I believe in June or July, and so that was a bit early to get the full fall box. I have been seeing CAUSEBOX for a couple of years now, and I've always wanted to try out a box. One of the things that I really like about the CAUSEBOX is that they are interested in providing ethically made and environmentally conscious products. As I'm spending more time at home, one of the things I want to do is to be much more conscious about the materials that I'm using in my kitchen and around the house. And so I thought giving CAUSEBOX a try would let me see what kind of products are out there. To give you a little bit more background information on CAUSEBOX, CAUSEBOX is a quarterly subscription service. So individuals can sign up for one of two options, either a quarterly seasonal member, or you can sign up as an annual subscriber, an annual member. As a quarterly seasonal member, you're signing up just to receive one box for that particular quarter. And that comes out to about $54.95. And as an annual member, you would pay for your box at one lump sum, but it comes out to about $49.95 a quarterly box. And so becoming an annual member, there are some benefits. Obviously, the box is cheaper per quarter, but also you get the option to be able to customize items in your box. If you are very particular about the type of products that you're wanting to receive, for example, you want to receive more items for the kitchen versus more items for beauty and health, being an annual subscriber would give you that benefit to be able to do that. Each quarterly box is estimated to be a value of around $250 or more. Whether you're paying for an annual membership or the quarterly membership, I think the idea is that, you know, you're getting great value for the amount that you're paying for the quarterly box. Now, the CAUSEBOX intro box is a welcome box, and so there aren't going to be as many products as there normally are inside the quarterly box, and so the value of an intro box then is less than the value of, will be less than the value of whatever the quarterly box is. However, I am still very excited to see what kind of products they provide inside an intro box, and so let's get to it. So to start off with, it's kind of light. I really like the patterns that they provide, very stylish. And so inside the CAUSEBOX is kind of like a little brochure, mini magazine. Talks about their mission is to bring sustainable and ethical products to everyone. And I'm sure probably in here is information about what is inside the box, but since I do not know what's inside the box and I want to see it for the very first time, I'm not going to look inside this. Let's get in here. Okay, so it's paper instead of like air bubbles, plastic air bubbles. Spin Point Go. Okay, so it's got like a cute postcard. And what is this? Something inside a plastic. Okay. 6-pack of reusable silicone stretch lids. Let's see if I can open this up. Ooh, this is great. Okay, so these are silicone reusable lids that you can put over bowls or plates, I suppose. Even basically these would take the place of plastic stretch covers that you would normally use to like wrap up any kind of like leftovers. So there are 6 in here, and they are all of varying sizes. And I can definitely see these being used in my kitchen because as we are, being home a lot more these days, we are cooking a lot more and having more leftovers. So these will definitely come in handy and be very, very useful. Okay, so this is a device. It says PMD Clean, a smart facial cleansing device. PMD Clean is a smart facial cleansing device that uses sonic glow technology. It is 4 customizable modes and brush optimized for all skin types. And it basically sounds like it vibrates, provides 7,000 vibrations per minute to remove skin's impurities and by breaking down dirt and oil from within the pores. I have seen these around, like when I go to Ulta, what have you. I've seen things, I'm not sure necessarily from this brand, but from other brands, and so I'm really excited to use this. Okay, the next product is this hyaluronic acid. It's a hydrating serum from Grace and Stella. It looks like it's a serum that you put 2 to 3 drops over cleansed skin, face and neck before creams. Nice. Say hi to hydration. Okay, this next product is Wild. It's a facial cleansing sponge infused with French pink clay. Interesting. A facial sponge. This says it's 100% natural, biodegradable. Interesting. No fragrance, no chemicals. One of the things that I do look for in my personal beauty products or facial products is something that doesn't have a lot of scent. I do have a little bit of sensitivity to my skin, and so I try not to find things that are like too strongly scented. I'm interested to see how this works. Okay, so it looks like there is one more product in here. All True Made for Good. And so it is a, what is this, like a wicker, kind of like a wicker kind of bag with some handles. It's cute, but I'm not sure if it's necessarily my style.
Originally, the welcome box is $54.95, but when I signed up, I had a $30 coupon, making my cost $24.95 plus tax. Do I think this welcome box is worth it? As a smaller version of a quarterly box, I think receiving 5 full-size products valued over $150 for $25 is worth it. But I also like that CAUSEBOX curates items from ethical brands that support artisans and gives back to various causes. For me, I would have purchased the silicone stretch lids on my own. And while I personally might not use the bag, it supports ocean conservation efforts. And I'm excited to try the PMD Smart Facial Cleansing Device, and it's great that PMD Beauty donates a portion of their profits to various initiatives such as providing menstrual supplies and education to girls around the world.
I am pleasantly surprised by this intro box from CAUSEBOX. So let me know if you all are CAUSEBOX subscribers and what you all have thought about it. If you enjoyed this video and enjoy seeing unboxing and reviews from me, please take a moment to subscribe. Again, I'm Nikki with Red Streak Girl. Thanks for joining me today. See you next time.